Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 1. This location is very well connected to the Golf Course Road, the main Vyapar Kendra Marg, the Galleria Market, the Supermarket 1, 2, the Huda City Center and the NH8, and it takes you towards the MG Road as well. And it also touches the main golf course. After golf course, it is going to get connected towards the golf course extension road. This is in the heart of the city where we are at. We are on a plot size of 300 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. This is the configuration of the house. Let's get started. The place where I'm standing right now, this is the formal living space of the house. This complete space is the formal living space. इसको आप यहाँ पर dining के हिसाब से bifurcate कर सकते हैं. This is the formal dining space. A table for 6 can easily be placed here. On the surface, you've got all over Italian marble. Italian is used on the surface. You've got Daikin air conditioner. This is inverter technology air conditioner which we're delivering to you. On the right hand side, you'll see it's a plain wall. Left hand side, it's a plain wall. And in the forefront, this is a plain wall given for your customizations as per your convenience. You talk about the ceiling design. This has 2 L's in the ceiling, which is also looking beautiful. Illumination work has been done by the LED lights out here inside the design, which is given on the ceiling. Above me, you've got 2 fans installed. This is your UPVC door and window. This is the mesh door which is given out here, which is going to protect you from the mosquitoes. On the right hand side, you'll see the externals of air conditioning systems are placed. On the top of the roof ceiling of the balcony, you'll see all HPL sheets all over. In the front of the house, you'll see this stainless steel ka railing hai, iske saath toughened glasses hai, natural stone on the surface. You've got the water tap there with the drainage vessel. Show them the surroundings a little. How does the surrounding look like of this specific property? This is the park for your kids, for yourself, for people who are senior in your home. They can actually enjoy the weather. So we are back in the formal living space. This was the dining section. Let's get started towards the hallway. This is the hallway area. Here you've got the diamond cut glasses. A beautiful design has been given. If you enter from your home, इधर से आप enter होते हैं, यहाँ पर आप खड़े होते हैं, एक बहुत ही शानदार आपको डिजाइन मिलता है. This is splendid, magnificent. This is the first bedroom of the house. You've got Italian on the surface. The right wall stays empty, the left also, and the left also behind me. So this is again a Daikin air conditioner installed. You talk about the ceiling design. This is square in shape. This also has illumination LED inside it for the ambience light. There is a fixed window given here for the natural light to flow in. This is again spaced. This first room is also connected with the balcony here. You're again back inside. You again back outside the balcony area. You share it with the formal living space and with the first bedroom of the house. Nothing has changed. HPL sheets, natural stone, Daikin air conditioner. The surroundings remains the same. So we are back inside the formal living space. This also has a washroom attached to it. A beautiful white marble vanity, looks to be splendid. This is a glass mirror which is given here. Upar mein geyser ka provisioning hai. This is a wall-mounted commode seat. This is your shower section. This is Havells ka fan laga hua hai, aapka rain head. You've got all the fittings by Jaguar. Come inside. This is the space for your cabinets. Ye pura cabinets ka space hai. I must say the developer has a very unique taste in terms of the quality and the stuff used inside this house. Tiling work करा हुआ है बहुत अच्छे से, Antis के tiles दिया हुआ है, and this is a glass partition which stays put. This is your fan on the ceiling. Let's be back inside the passage area, which is the hallway. This is An open kitchen on my right hand side, on the left hand side it's a plain wall. अगर मैं ये घर खरीदता तो यहाँ पर पूरा पेंटिंग्स से भर देता, इतना सुंदर है. ऊपर का अगर आप ये दृश्य देखेंगे, ऊपर का नज़ारा देखेंगे सारा सीलिंग का, उधर से एक बार दिखाइए प्लीज. ये पूरा का पूरा ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे किसी 5 स्टार होटल की सीलिंग होती है. मूविंग सीलिंग, दिस इज मूविंग पैसेज. एलईडी लाइट्स की रिफ्लेक्शन आपके नेचुरल स्टोन जो आपका इटालियन है इस पूरे पर नजर आ रही है. दिस इज लुकिंग ब्यूटिफुल, जुनास्क. ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज किचन. कम ऑन, कम. दिस इज द सेकंड बेडरूम ऑफ द हाउस. Again, Italian on the surface. That's your wardrobe section. All over this, opposite to me, you've got the closet. This is your pocket window. This also has a mesh door. ये जाली लगा हुआ है. ये शाफ्ट एरिया है, लेकिन शाफ्ट एरिया भी कई जगह पे बहुत सुंदर तरीके से दिया हुआ है. अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर यूपीवीसी में तो पहले एक ग्रेनाइट का बॉर्डर दिया हुआ है. ये आपके शाफ्ट में पूरा का पूरा ग्रास है, आर्टिफिशियल ग्रास. यू गॉट दी एलईडी लाइट्स इल्यूमिनेशन. यू गॉट दी एक्सटर्नल हंग देयर. लग ही नहीं रहा कि आप शाफ्ट एरिया को देख रहे हैं. You talk about the ceiling design. This is simple, sober. You've got the LED lights at the corner. These are all your closet system. Let me showcase this one to you. When you buying this home, you must see all the warranty cards and for the home appliances, for your air conditioner. Everything is placed here. Beautiful, so nice. So this is again an inverter technology Daikin air conditioner. Again, Havells का fan है आपका. Once you enter inside the washroom space, which is attached with the second bedroom, the vanity stands to be beautiful white marble stone countertop. You've got the cabinetries down there to keep your stuff. Jaguar fittings, a huge mirror which is given in front of the entry of the washroom. This is your shaft area. And this shaft area is pretty much small. You can get inside here. If you want to use this as your storage, you probably can, and you can cover this. ये पहले ही ऊपर से cover हुआ पड़ा है. So this is the shaft area which is well utilized. This is your rain head. सारा का सारा tiling work है. Jaguar की fittings हैं और Jaguar से बेहतर कुछ होता ही नहीं है. इधर में भी इन्होंने glass दिया हुआ है. Beautiful. Surface पे you've got anti-skid tiles. Let's get inside to the third bedroom of the house. This is the third bedroom of the house. Italian on the surface, the right wall stays empty. This is the place where you can hang your television. That's your Daikin air conditioning system. That's your closet section. This is the washroom attached. When you talk about the washroom upholstery, everything remains to be same. Nothing has changed. This is a beautiful mirror, a white marble top, wall mounted तो नहीं है लेकिन ये normal seat है. This is looking still pretty good. यहाँ पर washers area है, come inside. ये सारा का सारा tiling work है. आपका rain head, Jaguar की fittings. You've got this door handle. This is your washers area, huge glass. You've got fan on the ceiling. This is the shaft which you can open from this way. पीछे में भी पूरा का पूरा है. This is your storage system here. So this is also connected with the balcony at the back side. This is the back side balcony which has a UPVC again mesh door, natural stone on the surface. Your air conditioners are well placed. Geyser का fitting का provisioning दिया हुआ है. This is all metal, a granite thick top. For you like stand like this, or you stand like this, or you stand like this, or you watch your kids, okay? This is what is given. This is also shared with the fourth bedroom of the house, which we will show you in a little while. Come on, come inside. A beautiful ceiling design. This is the fourth bedroom of the house. This will be considered as the master bedroom because since this has a wooden flooring on the surface and this has a warranty of around 10 years. The LEDs are illuminating on the ceiling. You'll see ceiling में सारा illumination हो रहा है LED का, और इसके साथ साथ में आप देखेंगे सारी लाइट्स जो है बहुत ही प्लेजेंट है, चुप नहीं रही हैं. You've got the Daikin air conditioner which is inverter technology. All around this house, इधर की तरफ आप टेलीविजन लगा सकते हैं, लेफ्ट में आपका प्लेन वॉल है. This is your closet section. This is your washroom area. Vanity again by Jaguar. You've got 2 mirrors. This is your glass partition. You've got the rain head. This is again a small space given to you. Geyser वगैरह इधर आप लगा सकते हैं. Beautiful space. Again partition दिया हुआ anti-skid tiles. This mirror, this glass stands put. Jaguar की fittings है. Wall mount commode seat है. This is your countertop, marble countertop. A beautiful quality glass. Ceiling design is simple. Let's get outside to the balcony space now. This is the balcony commonly shared with the 3rd and the 4th bedroom of this house. Nothing much to showcase. एक बारी surroundings दिखा दीजिए please. Right, please come. This was the 4th bedroom. Now we are again back inside the passage area, the hallway. We will cover the kitchen part now. On the right hand side you'll see this is the space for your refrigerator. You can park your refrigerator this side. This is all tiling work which is used. This is a natural stone border. Over this way you have a shelf, a running shelf. यहाँ पर में सामान आप रख सकते हो. This is your OTG. This is again your oven by Faber, a high quality stuff. A high quality home appliance has been given here. These are all the cabinets. This is your ventilation window so that it does not suffocate you. Hob and chimney is by Faber. इधर अभी पूजा हुआ है. ये आपका shockers के साथ cabinets use कर सकते हैं आप यहाँ पर. This is how this is gonna get open. The space is good. It's nice. So when we talk about the countertop, this is stain free and this has 4 burners. This hob has 4 burners. ये आपका cutlery system है सारा रखने का. And this is a good quality cutlery stuff. This is how you place here multi-grains and pepper, salt and whatever you want to. ये 2 sink हैं लेकिन इसका washers वैसे लेक है. This is again by Grotto. It's a nice brand. You can stretch it like this as well. This is again a beautiful space given underneath here as well. So this was all about the kitchen part. Let's finally sign off. This was Anupam Gambhir from Estate Experts. Thank you so very much for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. This specific location where we are at, it's an ultra luxurious property. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned.